Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Easy-Stow PIT, shown for use in the mid position of a Honda Odyssey. The Easy-Stow, as you may know, is designed to modify your vehicle in no way, so there's no holes drilled, nothing to modify in the vehicle. And best of all, when you get to the mid position here, you're able to actually leave the passenger side seat in most applications, and you'll be using only the driver's side position. If you'd like to know more about our product, please check out the detailed videos down below, and it'll show you a little bit more about how the product works. It's called the Easy-Stow PIT from Access Unlimited. Here we're showing it in the Honda Odyssey, but we have it for many other vehicles. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and how we think and what our philosophy is, please go to our Facebook page and like us at facebook.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun, Instagram Access Unlimited, Pinterest Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has nearly 4,000 videos showing you all kinds of different options that we manufacture to give you the mobility that you want in the way that you would like. You can also contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 615-873-0518, and you can also call us from outside the U.S., country code 1. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.